Nigerians, good news. I say good news. No every time when I come here, I go to bring bad news. Today, na good news. Although I don't supposed to bring this good news since yesterday evening. Like yesterday evening, I was supposed to bring this good news. But make una forgive me. It's better late than never. I know today alright. Now know. Now they always say I dey go through some health challenge. But and that yesterday evening, I dey on treatment that evening. So I no conflict come out to come give una the good news, but you know the story. If they hide them, Alhaji go still bring them out. I did very active. So yesterday morning, will be the 13th of August 2026. I come out to come tell and say those bandits were unalive the 10 special police force from Makuku town, where they under Sakaba local government area of Kebbi State 3 days ago, right? So I come tell her yesterday, say yesterday's date na the 13th of August 2026. I tell her, say those bandits don't arrive Makuku town, and now they head back to Sangeko. These guys came from Sangeko. Sangeko is in Zamfara State, and the leader of that bandit, the person will get that group, 9 be Dogo Gida, 19 be that, 9 men be that. So now they are going back to Sangeko, where they come from. So I come make video, they tell Nigerians, say, I bet make una dey very careful. Say these guys, the information what they reach my hand yesterday morning, we see these guys they town right now and then they go back. So a lot of una begin to share, they tag the Air Force. Now they drag them here and there, which I love it very, very much. Honestly, now una, now be the hero. May God bless una. May God bless all of una. So as the dragging and the tagging and everything started going up and down, the Air Force responded. Yes, so the Air Force responded, and I can confirm to you that those bandits were they up to 600, because these guys they on 240 bikes. I know that these guys, they know they carry one for bike. No, sometimes they carry two, like the rider and 2 other person. Now so they go line by line. So the Air Force responded. They jammed them for Kumbanshi village. This Kumbanshi, I don't know if I pronounce it well. Kumbanshi, that is a Kumbashi. This Kumbanshi village, they under Mariga local government area of Niger State. Now there the Air Force jammed them. So they don't really leave that Kebbi State. They go back to Zamfara. So they need to follow through Niger. So the Air Force can go jam them for Kumanshi village, where they under Mariga local government area of Niger State. Now for there the Air Force from take drop bomb on top their body. Many of them return home with injuries, while many of them no return. Now I make I bring una up to speed with that happening yesterday. And also make una thank the Nigeria Air Force, and also make una tell them to do more. You understand? I love the dragging, I love the tagging, I love all the tagging. I see una tagging yesterday. Una well done. Una go well done. God bless una. I love the dragging. Every time I drag them, they responded yesterday, and they did a wonderful job. Though they not clear all of them, but many of them returned home with injury, while many of them did not return. So I will leave the bodies, my Telegram. You know, say this platform no go allow you to update all these things here. So if you want to see the bodies of this terrorist, aka bandit, you go to my Telegram. The link I will leave under the comment section of this video. That's if you're watching from Facebook. But if you're watching from Instagram, you go to the bio. If you're watching from YouTube, you still go under the comment section. The link to my Telegram will be there. You click, go there and see the bodies of this what I won't call them. If I call the name, I will call them. Maybe they will block me. Might just leave the bodies of these terrorists, aka bandits, in my Telegram. So God bless you. Stay safe, and remember, if they hide them, the English Alhaji, they bring them out. Are they very active?